this is Will with GetItDigital. We just got a new sample of the Canon Vixia HF S21. It's Canon's new 64GB dual memory slot camcorder. It has excellent performance. It also has a 3.5-inch widescreen LCD and a lot of other features. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the contents that it comes with, and we'll show you some sample videos. For the Vixia HF S21. We're on a busy Brooklyn street over here. We're going to try this out. It's got the Dolby 2-channel sound without the external microphone. This was built in. And we're going to try it out, see how it comes out. So let's take a look. Kind of bright and sunny out over here. Okay, let's try out the image stabilizer. Turn that on. See what that does. Now it's off. Well, that about wraps up our open and look of the Canon Vixia HF S21 and its 64GB of internal memory. We're going to do a more complete and comprehensive review soon. You can check out more reviews on our blog at www.getitdigital.wordpress.com. You can get great deals on the Canon Vixia HF S21 and lots of other gear on our website at www.getitdigital.com. You can always shoot us an email at info@getitdigital.com, or you can always give us a call. The phone number is 877-528-4432. Again, 877-528-4432. Thanks so much for watching, and happy recording.